Hello guys, today we will see the fabrication of a cone in AutoCAD. Here I have made a sample. We have a diameter of 100. Let me change the scale. Now it's a little bit bigger. You can see easily. It's 100 meter and the height is 100 millimeter, and we have a base. It's something like this: the diameter, bigger diameter and the small diameter. Look at this. It's 100, it's 200. All dimensions are in millimeters. You can see it's 200 millimeter, it's 100 millimeter, and the height is 100 millimeter. Here we have a symbol of diameter for better understanding. Now we have a data. Small diameter we have 100, and the height we have 100, and the bottom diameter is 200. You can see, and for this 200 millimeter I'll mention also this here. Bigger 200 millimeter. This is my main data, for which I need to fabricate a segment. Now from the side, if you see the cone in 2D dimension, it will look like this. Now we will extend these two lines by fillet command. It will touch at a point, and this is a radius. This is the second radius. I'll draw two radius from this point where they are touching at the top. From here it will be my center, and the other diameter. If I calculate the circumference for this diameter before rolling the segment, I need to multiply by the pi value, and it's a common value 3.1415, 100 into pi, and the answer is, you can open the calculator. Now for the bottom, the same thing. For 200 millimeter, simply I'll multiply by 2, because the upper diameter is 100 and the bottom is 200, so the result is 628.3 for the bottom. This is the circumference. As you can see in this triangle, we have two radius, 111.8 and the other is 223.61. That's why I will cut a segment with the dimension of these two radius. for these two diameters. First of all, I will cut these two radius from a point. It's a X point, it's not necessary. You may cut up to the requirement. Now if you measure, this length is 403, but we need only 300. That's why I will cut this chord length, and I will cut this arc length as per my requirement. And you can see 314.15. Now this is, if we check, this is the radius and this is the length, 314.15. this one. This is for small diameter, and for bigger I will do the same process. Here I have a length 628.3, and also I will cut this arc as per my requirement. Now from the center to the edge I will draw a straight line both sides. Now I will extend this radius here and cut this area. Now you can see the dimension is remain same for both diameters. Look, you can see for small diameter circumference and for bigger diameter circumference, both are same. This is all segment for development. For workshop, you can prepare a proper sketch to give some detail to the fabricator, like the distance he can draw, the radius, the bigger radius, this dimension and this dimension. Now this is complete. These are all dimensions. Thank you for watching.